And the other one was very much close to the country, so in each and every country you had actually front and back office logic. So we were at the challenge to say, okay, we need to transform, we need to bring that company together. How can we actually use data to understand how work gets done, where work gets done, so that we can best allocate our people, that we are not bringing people in a very high mature automated space like maybe Northwestern Europe, but maybe invest a bit more in areas which is Central Eastern Europe or Mediterraneans, right? So we had, actually our challenge was we had 2 legacy companies, completely disconnected, different ERP systems, different systems, but mature within their own, let's say, legacy. What we found, more than 50 processes that we have scouted and identified over 200 repetitive tasks. So you might be surprised in terms of, okay, but Bayer is a big company, you know, customer services, order management, delivery management, that's fairly standard. But we saw with Scout that we had more than 200 tasks, what we call task hotspots or digital gaps, that we see that there is a lot of things happening, but they are not really part of a process, or they are, but they're kind of completely managed differently across the different organizations. And we did that, by the way, in more than 25 locations across Europe, Middle East, and Africa. What we've done then is basically, with Scout Insights, we were able to define how should the operating model look after the transformation. So we had a blueprint, but we said, okay, that's not enough because the blueprint is just PowerPoint and some assumptions, and said, okay, let's take the best out of both worlds. Let's be close to customer, but also have a back office so that we can have much more efficiency and effectiveness in our organization. What we've done, we were able to improve our customer satisfaction by more than 20%. We've harmonized our performance of our applications. I give an example. We've implemented Salesforce as a CRM, but for our internal purposes, so between the front office and the back office teams. And in that, we were able to basically show that after transformation, and still ongoing, right, we still have a bad adoption in how people are adopting to the new technology. So we are still showing and highlighting the opportunities. We are still, recently, just a few weeks ago, we had some new results that we said, okay, how can we better improve our activity split between front office and back office? So with all these insights, we are still continuously working on that. And since more than 30,000 hours have been saved and more than 20 processes have been automated.